Hello. Uh, so I haven't done a video in a long time because I installed Chrome OS and I meant to install on so I on this computer. Let me just do something real quick. Not device. Uh, mm, okay. How do I? Uh, how do you open disk management again? Oh yeah. Yeah. So this is we oh dear. Yes. Delete that and delete this volume. It was not created by Windows. I think this is from my previous Chrome OS installation. Cause I have a lot. And this is where I tried to install Chrome OS, but it just yeah. So I'm gonna make it extend for. Oh my god, I can't. God damn it. New spin volume. Uh, okay. Anyway, so I have a Windows installer for Windows 10, but it's not sure. But this is not showing up. So yeah, I just gotta format it. Yeah. All right. Just all right. So actually, never mind. Format volume label Windows 10. So file system NTFS. Alright, done. Now meet you next time, so I'm just gonna quickly try again.